Today it's plumbers doing books, and we're going to quickly look at how to record a credit card payment. So let's say you invoice your customer for £100 plus VAT, that's £120, and now they swipe that card. Your card provider will normally take a fee right then. So you may get £115 in the bank, or normally it's something like 112.35, a percentage of that. And it's quite difficult to actually get your bookkeeping to match up. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it. It's fairly easy. Anybody should be able to do it. And if you can't, hit me up. We'll show you how it gets done. So you start by selecting the invoice that you want to receipt. So I want this one here. You go and click on Receive Payment. We've got a payment method called Stripe. You don't need to fill this in. Very important that you use undeposited funds. Normally you would use your business bank account, but we need to be careful. We need to use undeposited funds. The invoice is there, you select it, and then you hit Save and New. And that will then record that. So just very quickly, important step here is the undeposited funds account. Right, so once you've done your save, you can close that out. Let's go to our bank. Our payment receipt we've got from Stripe. That shows us what the fee was. If we go into banking, we're going to go look for that transaction. That's the transaction there, 461.75 Stripe payments. So now that I know I've got my transaction, you go to New, and you're going to do a new bank deposit. You select the bank account. We've got the one account, that's it. And then it shows the invoice that we want to receipt. So you click this one, and then you can put in Stripe. Again, it's not going to make much difference. It just makes it easier to analyze later. And then add funds to this deposit. Sometimes it's reduced and you need to click on it. Received from, you're going to leave blank. And here you're going to put in your fees account. So that's normally bank charges. In our case, we've added merchant fees. You could even drill down further and have Stripe or Amex if you want to see what you're paying for each fee. And we'll have a quick look at what the fee was again on my other screen. I'm actually going to print this, save it to the download folder, and I will be uploading it as a document as part of this transaction. So whenever there's a query, I can easily find it. Just click here at the bottom, open the download folder, select the file, click it in, wait for it to upload, and our amount. Now, it's important that this amount is going to be done in the negative. It's negative 879. And also there's no VAT on the bank charges or the fee that they levy. So enter the amount, save and new. And then we'll see when we go back to the bank, you can update up the top, and then wait for it to run through, and it will automatically pick up a match. There we go. You click match and the transaction is now done. I've done one earlier as well, similar payment, and I'm going to match that out. And there we go. And that's the transaction done. So the important things before you start, know what invoice you're on about. Make sure you've got your printout from the company, the merchant company, and then you can enter it into the system and go.